You know, I don't mean to brag, but I pull as big a crowd at noon as I do at 11:30 p.m., man. That's pretty badass.
It's not the quantity, it's the quality.
That's right. John's here, so fucked on both of those.
Excellent. You just started recording. Thank you.
Well, some schmuck's always got to be the schmuck to start these things off each given day. So, today I am that schmuck. How you doing, my motherfuckers?